Let's talk about the two major ways to monetize social media. So let's go. You have two major ways. The first one is getting clicks. And the second one is through direct messages. Now, you might be saying, oh, this is too simple. Yes, it's too simple. These two ways that you see right here is what we call driving traffic. And what driving traffic means is getting eyeballs on your offers. With way one, you get clicks, and those clicks takes people to a landing page or to an offer or to whatever you want to sell. And with way two, you connect with your followers directly through direct messages. And you use that opportunity to drive them towards your sales pages, your Calendly link, or get them to buy right there in the direct messages. Now let's talk about the specifics of getting clicks. So what you do is you post a link on social. When people click that link, they'll be taken to a pitch. And that pitch might convert them. Now, when I say pitch, here's what I actually mean. It's actually three things. It could be a landing page, it could be a sales call, or it could be a newsletter. The landing page is great for digital products and also for giving away free stuff. The sales call is great for services and also coaching. And the newsletter, well, it's great for basically selling anything. So whenever you post a link on social media, you'll be directing people into something that pitches your services, your products, your coaching. And if that pitch entices people, incentivizes people good enough, they'll become clients, meaning you get a conversion. And as you can see, you have many ways to pitch your services. It could be either through a landing page, a sales call, or a newsletter. And with the newsletter, of course, you can pitch everything you see here. So the beauty about seeing this in this way of getting clicks or sending direct messages is that it simplifies the way you create your strategies. Because in the end, the way to monetize social media is one, to get traffic, and two, to convert that traffic, meaning getting sales. And if we go back into the past, getting clicks and direct messages is how you get the traffic. And with the landing pages, the sales calls, and the newsletter, you incentivize people so that they actually become clients. It's a beautiful system, and hopefully you can see the power of it. Now, what about direct messages? There are two simple ways to use the direct messages to monetize your social media. And it works like this. First, you have the outreach, meaning you reach out to your followers. Then you have the pitch. And finally, you have the conversion. The second way is you post a hand raiser. And a hand raiser is nothing more than telling people, hey, DM me a specific keyword and I'll help you out. Then you have the pitch. And finally, you have the conversion. Now, when you are in the direct messages, you have a little bit more flexibility because you're connecting one-on-one with the prospects, with the clients, with your followers. So what you're going to do here in the pitch is that you're going to qualify. And what qualifying means is figuring out if these people that you approached or that approached you are a good fit for your service. And if they qualify, you can try to convert them. How? It could be either through a sales call or asking for payment right there. So the strategy works like this. You reach out to people, you qualify them, you pitch your service, and then you convert them. On the other hand, with the hand raiser, you get people to approach you first, then you qualify them, and if they qualify, you pitch your service, and then you try to convert them. And the way you convert these people is through a sales call or payment, right there on the direct messages. Now, how does this look in practice? Let me show you the one with the links. It's really straightforward. You tell people, hey, join this thing or buy my stuff. Here's the link. People click it and they take a look at the website. And of course, with the website, you are pitching your service or your products. In this case, I'm pitching the Wi-Fi money machine, which is a cohort that I have for March. And people can enroll here, at least for getting notified. And then they can join should they see the value of joining the Wi-Fi money machine. On the other hand, you have the hand raisers. And here you have like the free course, right? And if you DM me on Instagram the word free, you get access to this free course automatically. And the reason is that I have an automation that whenever someone DMs me the word free, the automation sends a link to them. And that link sends them to a landing page. And of course, the landing page pitches the product. And if they join, I have access to their emails. And it looks like this. Check this out. Look at it right here. And I've shown you this in previous videos. You click here and then you have access to the course by giving me your email. You add this right there and now you have access to this right. Oh, check this out. You got the product. Now you have access to all of these things. Beautiful, right? And this is how you monetize social media. Now you have two major ways to monetize it. And to summarize, we have getting clicks and we have the direct messages. With the clicks, you get people to click a link that sends them to either a landing page, or a way to book a call with you, or to your newsletter. And depending the medium that you use, you're going to sell digital products, free stuff, your services, or your coaching. And that way you get a conversion. And finally, you have the direct messages, either through outreach or people reaching out to you using the hand raiser. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more resources on how to monetize social media, I left a link down below. And that link will take you to my free guide, Your Next 100K. Make sure to click that link and get that free guide right away. My name is Jose Rosal. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, like this video, and see you soon.